Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, this is Chess Class 6 English, and in today's class I'm going to teach you Mate in 1 Rook Checkmate. Friends, in this series I'm going to teach chess from beginner level to master level. So if you know someone who want to learn chess, then please share my videos with them. And friends, if you want your kids to learn abacus and do multiple number calculation in mind within seconds, or you want your kids to learn coding and become a game designer and app designer in their early childhood age, then don't forget to book a free demo class in our institute, our academy. The phone number is displayed in the screen. So now let us start the class. Friends, the topic for today is Mate in 1 Rook Checkmate. Last class also the topic was same, and today also we will be discussing 6 situations. Then this chapter will complete, friends, and in next class we will be doing new chapter. Okay. So topic is Mate in 1 Rook Checkmate, and it is white's turn. Means white rook will be giving checkmate to black king. Now pause the video, friend, and start thinking how you can do it. Okay. And when you will get the answer, then you can play and understand. Friends, I am sure now you got the answer. So now let us discuss. The correct answer is rook h1 will go to h8. Okay. And from here it will attack the king. Now if the king cuts the rook, then the bishop will cut the king. Okay. Bishop is giving backup to the rook. Understood? So king cannot cut the rook. And if the king goes here in g7, then the bishop can cut. And if the king goes to h7, then the rook will cut. So this is a checkmate because no piece is there which can cut this rook. And wherever the king is going, it is getting the attack. So this is mate in 1 rook checkmate. Now next situation. Friends, whatever situations I'm teaching you now, take a screenshot of the situations and practice as many times as possible so that you can gain speed. Okay. If you are making mistakes, then you have to practice more and more. And if you are not getting mistake, you are getting the correct answers, then you can practice just 1 or 2 times. Okay. Now next situation is ready, friends. Start thinking. It is white's turn only. Okay. White rook will be giving checkmate to black king. Friends, I'm sure now you got the answer. So let us discuss. The correct answer is rook d7 will go to a7. Okay. See, if this rook will go to a7 and cut the pawn, then it will be able to attack the king. Now, the knight is giving backup to the rook. So, king cannot cut the rook. If the king will cut the rook, then the knight will cut the king. Understood? And if the king goes here, then the knight can cut in L shape. And if the king goes here, then the rook will cut straight, right? So this is mate in 1 rook checkmate because no piece is there. Some of the friends may be thinking that pawn can cut diagonally, but this pawn will go straight, friend. This pawn is of this side. Now, can you see here is black, here is white. So this is black side. So pawn is coming, going this way, right? So it cannot go back and cut the rook. Understood? Pawn cannot go backward. Got it? So pawn cannot cut. Bishop goes diagonally. So bishop can also not be able to cut. Okay. So this is mate in 1 rook checkmate. If you are having any doubt, you can send me the message, friends. Okay. In the comment section. Let us now discuss the next situation, friends. Just a second. Friends, if you are not able to understand anything, if you are not able to understand the name of the pieces or the name of the square, then my suggestion will be to to learn from the starting. Okay, see the video from starting, from class 1, then it will be easy for you to understand. Now situation is ready, friend. Now start thinking. I'm sure, friends, now you got the answer. So let us discuss now. See, the correct answer is rook a8 will go to a1. Okay. From here, it will give attack to the king straight, right? If the king will go here in h1 or go here in f1, then straight the rook can cut. And if the king goes in G2 or F2, then the king can cut. So no option is there. So this is a checkmate. Some of the friends may be thinking that the rook can go to G8 and from here also it can attack. But if the rook will go to G8 and from here it will attack, then king can go to H1 and be safe, and king can go to F1 and be safe. Okay, but if the rook will attack from A1, then there is no option for the king to escape, and this will be checkmate. Okay, so this is the correct answer, friends. Now the next situation. Friends, if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Okay, situation is ready, friend. Now start thinking. Pause the video, start thinking, and when you will get the answer, then you can play. Okay, I'm sure now you got the answer, friends. Now let us discuss. See, the correct answer is the rook will go to the C4 rook will go to A4. Okay. From here, it will attack the king. Now, if the king goes here or here, okay, the rook can cut straight. And if the king goes to B7 or B5, then diagonally the bishop can cut. No other option is there, friend. No way, there is no place where the king can go and be safe, and there is no piece which can cut this rook. So this is a mate in one, rook checkmate. I'm sure you got the answer. Now the next situation. Yes, situation is ready, friends. Now start thinking. Pause the video, start thinking. And when you will get the answer, then play. I'm sure, friends, now you got the answer. See, the correct answer is rook c8 will go to g8. From here, it will attack the king. And king cannot do anything. See, the rook is safe, friends. Why the rook is safe? Because the knight is giving backup to the rook. Can you see? Understood? So, king cannot cut the rook because the knight is giving backup. Okay, and pawn cannot go backward, so pawn can also not be able to cut. And if the king will cut the knight, then the pawn will cut the king. The pawn is giving backup to the knight, so king cannot cut the knight. And if the king goes here, then the pawn will cut diagonally. This is the white pawn, friend. This is the white side. So pawn is going from this side, right? So it can cut diagonally, right? It is going straight only. So it can cut, right? And if the king goes here or here straight, the rook can cut. So this is mate in one, rook checkmate. I hope you understood, friends. And if you didn't understood, if you still is having doubt, then you can message, okay? Now let us discuss the next situation. Yes, friends, situation is ready. Start thinking. Now I'm sure you got the answer, friends. Now let us discuss. The correct answer is rook h7 will go to e7. From here, it will attack the king. Now, if the king goes here or here, the knight can cut. And if the king cuts the rook, then the king will cut. King is giving backup to the rook. Okay. And if the king goes here or here, then the rook will cut. So there is no option. So this is mate in one, rook checkmate. Okay. Some of the friends may be thinking that the rook will go to h8 and from here also it can attack, right? But if the rook will go to h8 and from here it will attack, then the king will go to f7 and it will be safe. Understood? So that is why this answer will not work. And the correct answer is this only. Okay? Rook h7 will go to e7. Friends, I'm sure you understood all the topic. Take a screenshot of the situations and practice at home. Okay? I'm sure friends you understood the topic of today. In next class, I'm going to teach you a new topic. Okay. And friends, if you really like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. If you like, share and subscribe the channel, then only we get motivation to bring more and more videos for you. So friends, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Okay. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.